we're gonna take a dollar store candy cane wreath frame. So we're gonna start with a full roll of burlap, and we're gonna start underneath and start at the top of the candy cane and just work it in through the surface like that. We're gonna just take a little bit, about an inch or so at a time, and just pull it through the ring. So now what we're gonna do is just repeat that process over and over again. And this is how much coverage we got. We've used one roll of burlap. But we're gonna do the same thing again. From underneath, we are going to place that piece into the wreath frame and then just start scrunching it in. Now we're gonna take some ribbon. We're gonna just take our candy cane, flip it over and snip off the ribbon. We're gonna just tie that on the back. So I have a red ornament, but that is going to be our red nose, and we're gonna use the black one and create an eye out of this. Now I have some red berries, and we're going to just wedge these right into the burlap. Now it's time to make a simple little bow to finish this off. Now we're gonna take a wire and secure our bow. Now we're gonna just take our bow and attach it right to the long part of the candy cane. We need to fluff open our wreath frame. Lie our mesh flat on our table, and we're gonna cut approximately 16 to 18 inch long pieces and roll it towards our hands. So we're gonna just place one piece of this mesh inside of each twist tie. So now we have both of our deco mesh wreaths complete. We're gonna actually just take one of these twist ties and secure it together. Here we have a little top hat. Just secure the two wires right to our metal frame. Now it's time for a scarf, and we're gonna be using just raw burlap for it. A few of these black buttons. I'm gonna apply a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm just gonna place them. So now I just have a couple of these orange pipe cleaners, and all we're going to do is just kind of bend them to shape and twist them secure, and now we have a little nose. Now I just have a black pipe cleaner, and since this is a wire, all we're going to do is just bend it into a funny shape to create our mouth. So I grabbed a flocked wreath, and the first thing that we've got to do is we've got to fluff it. We're going to start by cutting a length for our tails. So we're going to just create loops that are about 6 to 8 inches long. All you're going to do is create 2 loops, pinch, reverse the ribbon, and create your next loop. Then what you can do is you can take your scissors and snip off your ribbon, take your tails that you pre-cut, place them underneath, grab a pipe cleaner, and secure it. So make sure to twist it several times. Now we're gonna take our bow and just secure it right to the metal frame. And these are ornaments and they're plastic. What you can do is with these flocked wreath bases, if you're placing this somewhere where it's not gonna be hit by the elements or inside your house, they do a great job of holding your sprays and your picks right where you place them. What I think will look really nice is just taking the tail and curling it over itself. We have this adorable peppermint spray, and I thought this would be the perfect finishing touch. So I picked up this super inexpensive wreath from Walmart. So first things first, fluff it open so it looks nice. We're gonna start with these poinsettias. Open up each and every petal. We're gonna take our wire snips and snip them off. So we'll snip off each leaf individually as well. Right here is our glue skillet. We're just gonna dip our stems in. And all we're gonna do is just glue them right to the wreath. We're gonna continue working these in. Now let's come back in with the leaves that came off of these stems and work them around the perimeter.